I don't know where the crystal went. Oh, guys. OMG. Look at how the crystal is now.
It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tae and Van. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tae and Van. It's Crafty. It's Crafty and Van. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tae and Van. Hey, Crafty Tae and Van.
Today we're going to be doing some science. Okay, and I think we're just, oh yeah, let me show you guys the box. So today I think we're gonna do like I think we're gonna go collect some stuff from nature. Let me take these off. You can wear them. I'm gonna let her wear them.
In the back, I need to be careful my hair, because I just got my hair fixed.
Okay?
I can't see through that. I can just see normal stuff.
I know, it's just everything's so big. Okay. Okay, now I think we're gonna collect some nature and we're gonna brush it off with this little toothbrush,
so
I guess.
Weird.
I know. And I guess we're gonna brush. Yeah.
I can't see because it's dark.
I know, because it's so sunny out and it's so good out.
But I can see out.
So yeah. So first, what should we look at? I'm not sure. Oh, I'm gonna look at a leaf. A leaf. A leaf. I don't know, but a leaf, okay? We might collect some bugs or other stuff, okay?
I just fell off like that.
Put it on. Put it on. We might collect some bugs with this. We might close it.
Can I see it?
Okay, guys?
And this is a teaser.
Yeah.
And I like to cut teacher, but there's not.
Okay, you ready, Savannah? I'm gonna brush off this leaf. Like so.
And I want to look at some nature. I'll look at some nature.
Put this in. Let's put a. Don't worry about in the background. It's just stuff out there. Okay. Where's the magnifying glass? Oh, it's in here. Okay. Let's look.
Can I
Wow.
look at the glasses?
There's nothing really in the glasses. You can look at that. Okay, now I might go.
Oh my
collect
gosh, it's so big out there.
I might go collect some bugs.
You
Bugs.
You
Okay,
go collect them.
we're gonna be right back. Okay, everyone's attention. Everyone's attention. Everyone come
I
here.
don't want that.
Make me smile. Good job. Okay, sing that with me. Ready, steady, go. Ooh la. Ooh la. Ooh la. Ooh la. Ooh la. Ooh la.
I don't want to take some bugs. I don't want to.
Now we're gonna find some bugs. Okay. Hey guys,
Hi,
you
guys.
ready to find some bugs?
Hey guys.
We're gonna come down to the ground. You guys are gonna come down to the ground with me. Us.
We're going to go over here and find some bugs.
Okay. You guys are gonna come over here with us to find some bugs.
I tried to hold them.
You don't need to hold on to them. You'll put
My
them over
turn. Look at it. You're holding them.
Okay, we're gonna put you. Oh my gosh, a leaf was on me. I'm gonna come over here. Okay. Found the perfect spot for you guys to come. Savannah, come on. Gotta look for some bugs. Okay. Me? There's not really bugs in Omaha. I used to always find worms, and I used to always put them all in a bucket. I wouldn't pick them up with my hand. Sometimes. But yeah, man, don't brush it like that. Okay, so now
I'm going to get some bugs.
I got this.
So you get your things and then I get. Oh, I have to use that. to have this to squirt.
No, you don't have to use that. Let me scoot over this so she can have it.
Ow.
Okay, ready? Okay, so we have this. We're gonna make some signs down here, okay?
I have that and this. It's so weird if I have glasses
Whoa.
on.
That was a bird. Scared me.
Okay.
Okay.
I have
Oh,
this.
you guys wanna see what we're doing? Okay, we're gonna look for some stuff.
Okay,
Oh, I can brush this, guys. Guys, I can brush this off. Oh, that's a lot of dust down here.
I'm gonna pick mine.
No, Fiona. No, I'm just showing you. Come on, sit down. You can brush it off. I'm gonna brush off this side. Oh my gosh, this is really dusty, guys. Whoa, it was this dusty, but now it's this dusty. Look at how clean it's getting. There's just so much
No,
dust.
I have to clean.
This is only dust, not the other side. Wow, guys, this is gonna be a lot to do. Some sand. No.
Dylan, guess what?
Guys, it kind of looks like bird food. Yeah, kind of looks like bird food and sand.
Okay. We're trying to back. What we need, I want to. I had to.
Squeeze it out in there. Don't squeeze it out yet. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna hold the bottle. Hold the bottle for you.
Whoa. Oh. I guess I'm just gonna pour some in there. Put it down. So I can see. Pour a little bit of sand. Oh, that was too much. Guys, that was too much. And don't move. This is enough right there.
Now we're gonna
Top
add some of this.
And what do you think that is?
Sugar.
Salt.
Salt. I know what it is.
No, you can't trick me now.
Can I open it? We have. Oh, I have tape.
Yeah. Okay.
Can I put it in?
I'm gonna put some in here and then you're gonna sprinkle a little in there. Yeah, put that in there. Yep.
Alright.
Oh my gosh. Okay, at least you put some in there.
Yep.
Wait. Yep. Some of the salt is in there. You see it in there.
Yeah. Let me see. I need my glasses on so I can see.
Okay.
Let me see. Let me see. Yep, I see.
Okay guys, I got the water. Okay, I think we should put some of this in to see if it actually, I guess I'm gonna put some of the dry thing in.
Can I put some in?
Oh, you put them. I'm gonna put a little bit in this. Oop, that was too much, but it's okay because this is a big old packet. It doesn't really matter. Okay guys, okay now we put some of this stuff in there.
Now it's my turn to pour the water.
I don't want you to pour too much.
I want to help.
Okay. Be careful. Don't go right away, Savannah. Okay, guys. So we put some water in there. And we're gonna see what it does. Whoa. Mix it up. We're gonna mix it up, guys.
Can I mix
Oh, no.
it up?
Whoa.
Can I mix it up?
Okay, guys.
Whoa. Ew.
Let me show you guys.
It looks like
turns
dirt.
into.
It looks like dirt. Ew. 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 Ew.
Ew. It feels weird, guys.
Ew. 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 Ew.
No, I put it like right on top of the pipe. And then
Okay, guys, we just did that wrong. Okay, guys, I actually
That
want.
sand is really gross. We just touched it and it's gross.
Yeah.
Ew. Can I squirt some water too out there?
Okay, squirt all of that in there. Okay. Savannah, not yours. Okay, squirt in there. Very good. We put a little bit of water.
We put a little bit of
We kind of
That's a mom in the background.
Sorry.
sister's trying to go in the garage. My dad's making a new shed.
I want to kind of make some of this stuff, I guess. Hey guys. I want to kind of make that stuff right there. I think the sand was a bad idea. We're going to see what it does now. We're going to shake it up like we did. Whoa, a lot of bugs out here. We're going to see what it does. Okay. I'm gonna pour the water out. Whoa. Look at that, guys. Whoa. So jiggly.
I'm back,
Let me show you guys it.
Something?
Look at guys. Look at this thing right here. Let me show you if you guys can see it. Right here. And it's just like jiggly. It's just so cool.
You made some legs.
So the stuff what I made is out of sand, salt, and active dry. And it's kind of gooey, so I think I made some kind of gooey thing. So yeah. And maybe next time I do this exploring thing. I hope you guys had so much fun. But wait, this crystal is not out of crystal. Sorry. So many shadows. I don't know what it is. I don't know what I'm looking for. Now I'm just looking for the crystals. Maybe I'm gonna put them here so I can walk through it to see what it actually is, guys. So let's look at a crystal. A real crystal. It's a real crystal. If y'all don't believe me, that's a real crystal. It is. Because I know it is. I am smart. I actually seen a real crystal before. Actually seen it.
I have watched the science before and I know what it does. It should have it.
I have actually did science.
Hey, background. Right behind the camera.
I know. Savannah's in the back. And behind the camera. I'm about to see. Yeah. Now I'm gonna drop it in the water. I'm gonna see what it does. I dropped it in the water. There. I'm gonna try to suck it up. I don't know where the crystal went. Oh! Guys! OMG! Look at how the crystal is now. It feels very jelly. Whoa. And it kind of got bigger. And it got bouncier. Dang it. I'm gonna make another one. But I can't. I don't have no more water. So, hope you guys liked and enjoyed doing that science thing. You guys can get it too. It's online and stuff. And I hope you guys liked it. And the crystals actually work. It actually got bigger and actually got bouncier and jellier. And it was so fun. And I actually did. So, bye, Crafty Tae, like and subscribe. Bye.